Cold front moved through the area earlier today, and it is a pleasant Friday evening. Sitting at 78 degrees at Abilene Regional Airport. Saw a little bit of some cloud cover earlier today. That has since cleared out. It'll be pleasant as you're stepping out for any of those Friday evening plans in the Big Country and the Concho Valley as well. Maybe a little bit of rain on the Sutton and Schleicher County lines. Nothing severe though. Any severe thunderstorms well off to the east. Under severe thunderstorm watch until midnight. Something to keep in mind if you find yourself traveling that way. Other than that, we'll be waking up Saturday pretty calm. Might have some showers around. Saturday afternoon though, that's when we have a weather impact alert in effect. Just to give you a heads up, gonna potentially see some storms, and if storms are able to form, could be on the strong to severe side. Large hail, potentially over golf ball size, gonna be the main potential threat. Gusty winds, and can't completely rule out an isolated tornado. I want to emphasize the majority of us are staying dry tomorrow. Storms we do see form though that are able to form on the dry line. That's that boundary between the bone dry desert air and the moist air from the Gulf to the east. If you've lived in West Texas for a while, you've certainly heard the phrase dry line before. We get a lot of storms along that dry line in the spring months, likely to be on the strong to severe side if we see them form. The 2 out of 5 slight risk from Sonora, St. Angelo, Abilene eastward. That's where likely the greatest coverage of those potentially strong to severe thunderstorms going to be. Timing it out for you by Saturday morning, we'll just have a little bit of some drizzle around. And keep in mind, this is one picture of what radar could look like, so don't pay attention to the exact position of the storms. Just take the general location and showing it most likely going to be across eastern portions of west central Texas. Those storms likely to move off into north and central Texas. By Saturday evening, we'll see things calming down across the area. Maybe a little bit of some lingering storms late Saturday night. Sunday morning, again, waking up with maybe a little bit of some drizzle and some cloud cover. Sunday, we're going to have a cap in place. That's a warm layer of air aloft, as well as Saturday, but the cap Sunday likely to be a little bit stronger, and that might suppress storm development, and that is what this version of Timecast is showing. Just know though, it is a possibility though that storms are able to break through that cap, and if they're able to, could be strong to severe. Again, large hail, the main threat, gusty winds. Can't completely rule out an isolated tornado. Slight risk goes from north of Abilene into Oklahoma. There's a 3 out of 5 enhanced risk in North Oklahoma into Kansas. That's where overall the best threat of storms forming, are. But just know it's not out of the question for us in West Central Texas, so just be paying attention to the forecast. We'll be with you every step of the way here at Fox West Texas. You can see that front, it's a little more diffuse now across the Big Country with those winds out of the east-northeast. 78 Abilene Brownwood, still hanging on to 81 at St. Angelo Mathis Airport. Waking up near 70 tomorrow and warming up into the mid-90s tomorrow afternoon. Officially forecasting a high of 97 Saturday. We have those red shaded days Saturday and Sunday. Just to let you know, some of those storms might be strong to severe. 20% chance on Saturday, 30% Sunday. Also a 20% chance on Monday. I'm keeping an eye on it then. Just stay weather aware over this weekend. We'll be with you every step of the way. After those storms late Monday into Tuesday, we'll have a stretch of some storm-free weather. You can find the full forecast on our website and the latest on social media. Back to you.